Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Classes for You. Today's video is about how to calculate shares in partnership. So please watch this video. So come back to our video. Okay, see friends, in partnership, what happened there when two person or more than two persons, okay, run a business jointly, then we call them as partners. What we call them as partners. Okay, partners. But friends, the partners, when the deal between them, okay, when the investment going on between these partners, then we call it as partnership. Okay, partnership. So friends, for solving problems of shares, either profit or loss, we need to remember two important points. So I will tell what are those. In first, I will tell. See friends, when the investment, when the two persons are there and they are investing money, okay, for the same time period. For the time period is same for both the partners or both the person we can say. Then the ratio of their share is in the form. See, I will tell what is that. Suppose there is a person A and B, okay, investing rupees X and Y, okay, investing rupees X and Y. So their shares of profit is in the form, see, what is that? A share of profit is to B shares of profit. Okay, so that is your X is to Y. What is that? X is to Y. So friends, this is the point one, that is to remember when the time period of this both the businessman or person you can say A and B is same, then in that condition the ratio is in the form of X and Y. Okay, but friends, when the investment is for the different time period, okay, between the partners, the investment is different time periods, then in that condition you need to remember one more point. What is that? See here, suppose the investment is for different time period. Suppose A and B, no, this time we will take as X and Y. Okay, investing money rupees are for P months, okay, and rupees S for Q months. Okay, what I am saying, here are the two person X and Y, okay, they are investing money. X investing money are, okay, for P months, and Y investing money S for Q months. Means what I am telling here, that the two person, the partners are investing money, but the time period is different here. So in that condition, the ratio is in the form of, that is your RP is to, wait, I will tell here, what is that? RP is to SQ. Okay, RP is to SQ means they are investing, suppose X is investing as rupees R for P months, okay, and Y is investing rupees S for Q months. So friends, this is the important note for solving the problem, which is very useful. By seeing this only or by reading your question, you can easily understand. Okay, we will see what is that question. Okay, as here I written one question, that P and Q started a business. Okay, P and Q started a business investing rupees 85,000 and 15,000 respectively. Okay, so in what ratio the profit earned for 2 years be divided between P and Q? Okay, what I'm saying, that there are the two businessmen, they are investing, P is investing rupees 85,000, okay, and Q is investing rupees 15,000, and the time period is same, that is your time period is for 2 years, right? Your time period is for 2 years. So friends, in that condition, their shares of profit or their ratio of their capital, I can say, we will see, that is ratio of P and Q is equals to, that is 85,000, okay, is to 15,000. Okay, as it is for 2 years, I can say here again 85,000 into 2 years means 24 months is to 15,000 into 24 months. So this will be equal to the 0 get cancelled, this 2 get cancelled, what you will left, 18 is to 15. When you will cancel with 5, what you will get here, 17 is to 3, right? 17 is to 3. So ratio of their capital of P and Q, that is 85,000 is to 15,000. 85,000 is to 15,000, as it is for 2 years. 2 years means 24 months. Okay, this side got cancelled. What is left? 85 is to 15. When you get again cancel, what you will get? 17 is to 3. So friends, in this way you can solve when the time period is same. You will have to remember this ratio, that is your x is to y means x is to y. Okay, we will see another problem where the time period is different for the two business person. Okay, see that example also. Okay, so friends, here is my second example where I told you about that the time period is different here. Okay, here I will explain how the shares can be distributed, okay, when the time period is different. So see friend, example, Raj and Yash are partners in a business. They both are partners in a business. Okay, Raj invests rupees 35,000 for 8 months. Okay, and Yash invests rupees 42,000 for 10 months. Okay, what I am saying, that they both invested money, but one person invested for 8 months and other invested for 10 months. So out of they got profit as 31,570 rupees. Okay, so we have to find here how much is the share for Raj. We have to calculate only the shares belong to, that is Raj. Okay, so we will see here how we can calculate. Okay, solution, that is, first we have to write ratios of their capital, ratio of their capitals. Okay, what is that? 35,000 for 8 months, right? And what I'm saying here, this is my second point which I told, that your investing money into your months. Okay, the time period is different, that's why I'm writing separately here. In first example, the time period was same. Okay, so 35,000 into 8 and 42,000 into 10 months. Means Raj investing for 8 months and Yash investing for 10 months. So here you can cancel easily, these 3 get cancelled. Okay, and what you got, 35 into 8 and 42 into 10. Again you get cancelled, you can cancel easily. 7 6 and 7 5 okay, and here so what you left, 5. Okay, again when I cancel, why I'm telling this cancellation, because it will be easy and so that you get more clear also. Okay, this one again 2 4s 2 5s okay, 5 5 get cancelled, so what left, 4 is to 6 only, so this become 2 is to 3. So the ratio of their capitals is in the form of 2 is to 3. Okay, this is the ratio of their capital. Whatever the capital they are invested, that is in the form of ratio. But the actually we have to calculate Raj shares. Okay, what is the share for Raj? So Raj share, that is your total profit is how much, 31570 into, we have to calculate only for Raj. Raj's ratio is your 2, okay, and your total ratio is, that is 5. So you have to write here 5. Okay, so when you will get cancelled, okay, so 5 ones are 5, this 6 3, okay, 5, then 6 3, and how much ones are here, and 4. So 6314 multiplied by 2, what you will get, so this much belongs to Raj shares. Similarly, we can find for Yash also. Shares belong to Yash. Simple. Again, you have to write here profit as same only, as both profit is same for both person, 31570 into, here as we are finding for Yash, if you want to find for Yash also, you can write here 3, because Yash ratio is 3 and total ratio is 5. 2 plus 3, again you will find 5. So when you will get cancelled, you will find for Yash shares also. So friends, this partnership is actually belong to arithmetic portion only, which is very useful for competitive exams also. Actually nowadays they are asking such questions for competitive or any other, whenever you are preparing for any entrance exam, there also this question they are asking, such questions they are asking actually, which belongs to partnership only, and partnership is actually your arithmetic, means it comes under maths only. So today I told this topic just to know you about some investing, or it is also useful for those who are running their business purpose also. So please watch this video, okay, and subscribe it. Thank you.